Garrett from Garrett's Guitar Lessons here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. You'll find tons of free lessons ranging from beginner to intermediate to advanced, from songs to concepts, chords, scales, arpeggios, it's about everything in between. Everything is organized in a playlist, and related lessons are linked within the description. Related lessons are more often than not more in-depth lessons on concepts that I briefly talk about within the lesson that you're watching. All the diagrams and even tabs are available as free PDF downloads at my website, garrettsguitarlessons.com. On my website, each lesson has its own page where each PDF and related video is also linked. All of this can be overwhelming. That's why I have blogs that kind of give you an intermediate, beginner, and advanced walkthrough my website and my YouTube channel. I have blogs on various guitar lesson related topics, play-alongs, which are video and audio representations of every chord, scale, arpeggio, and exercise that I may talk about, and backing tracks in various keys and tempos, all available at my website, garrettsguitarlessons.com. Thank you so much, have a look around, and let me know if you have any questions.